friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about ChatGPT. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.